In today's video, I'm going to show you how to lock app in your Android phone. In some Android phone, you can find built-in app lock option in your phone settings. But if you don't have any built-in app lock option in your phone, then you have to download a third-party app. So just open up Google Play Store, then go to search option and then type app lock. And then scroll down a bit, download the first one, just tap on install, give it a moment. And the download is complete. Now just open the app. Now make a screen lock. Then draw your pattern again to confirm it. Then tap on agree and start. Then tap on allow. And it's ready for use. Now just choose the app that you want to lock. If I select YouTube, just tap on this lock option. Then tap on permit. Then enable this option. Use data access. Then tap on permit again. Then allow appear on top. And then choose the app that you want to lock. If I select YouTube again and then go back and then open up YouTube, and that's it. Now just draw your pattern and here it is. And that is how you can lock app in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.